Saudi Arabia was hit by severe lightning storms and strong easterly winds on Tuesday, which led to widespread damage across the nation. The stormy weather's brunt was borne by the cities of Makkah and Jeddah, as well as several other regions. As pilgrims tried to circumambulate the Kaaba, the giant black cube towards which all Muslims pray, a bolt of lightning struck the iconic Fairmont Mecca Clock Royal Tower Hotel, illuminating the night sky late Tuesday. The storm brought gale force winds exceeding 80 km per hour, Hussein Al-Qahtani, spokesman for the National Center for Meteorology, informed. Many dramatic videos of the strong storm were shared on social media platforms, which showed the formidable strength of the wind, which was so intense that it managed to remove heavy plastic barriers. The movement of Umrah pilgrims who were present in the Grand Mosque of Mecca was also threatened by the same gusts. The videos, which showed the severity of the storm, documented the collapse of power poles amid torrential rain and storm on Aswan Road, northeast of Jeddah. In several video clips, electricity poles were seen leaning precariously over roads and showed a picture of the unstable weather condition. Earlier reports suggested that Jeddah was enveloped in a dust storm as dense clouds of dust were seen filling the skies. The National Meteorological Center of Saudi Arabia on Tuesday morning issued an alert detailing the predominant weather conditions of the country over the next 24 hours. Weather experts have forecasted thunderstorms along with active winds for regions like Medina, Mecca, Asir, Jazan and Al-Baha. Meanwhile, Tabuk and Najran regions are likely to see surface winds which will stir up dust. Rafah, Hafr al-Batin and Al-Saman have reported peak temperatures of 47 degrees Celsius, while a low of 14 degrees Celsius was experienced by Al-Suda, where humidity levels soared to 95%. Famous weather expert Abdullah Al-Usami said that such weather patterns hint at the autumn season's onset in October. The recent conditions were similar to a 2015 storm that felled a crane at the Grand Mosque, killing more than 100 people and injuring hundreds more.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.